Hello, welcome to the Catalyst Center training series for industrial switches. My name is Erika Franco. I'm a technical leader on the IoT Solution Group, and today I will show you a demo on how to perform switch device replacement with Catalyst Center. If you want to know more about switch device replacement or other Catalyst Center features for industrial switches, please check our videos on the series. The first step on device replacement is to identify that the switch needs to be replaced. If a switch is unreachable, Catalyst Center will display this in assurance pages. Let's take a look. The user can navigate to the assurance dashboard and see if there are any critical issues. A switch being unreachable will be a priority 1 issue, highlighted in red. As we see, it says switch unreachable, and the user can click and investigate more. Also, any issue on Catalyst Center can be configured to send alarms. For example, a user can get an email or a WebEx alert letting them know that the switch is unreachable. With these events, the administrator can perform some investigation. We can see details as what is the device that's being unreachable, where is the site that the device belongs to, what kind of the device it is, and also when is the first time the event occurred and what is the last time the issue occurred. Once the administrator concludes that the device needs to be replaced, someone on site will take the old device out, put the new device in, and replace the cabling. When the new switch is connected into the network, it uses PNP to contact Catalyst Center and wait for configuration. At this point, the administrator can come back into Catalyst Center and look for the device replacement workflow. Let's navigate to Menu and search for Workflows and look for Replace Device. Click on Replace Device and we get to this wizard, so let's do it. First, we assign a task name. Then we need to select the device type. In this case, we are replacing a switch. Next step is to choose a site in the hierarchy where the faulty device is located. In this case, I will scroll and select Test Site, which this one has my faulty device. I click Next. In this case, the wizard doesn't show any faulty device because the device has not been marked for replacement. So the administrator clicks on Add Faulty Device and selects the device that needs to be replaced. Click Next and confirm that it's marking this device for replacement. At this point, the device is marked for replacement successfully and we can continue with the wizard. So far, we have selected the faulty device. Now we will select the replacement device. Catalyst Center will show devices that have contact Catalyst Center and are waiting for configuration using the PNP process, and they match the same device type. In this case, we see one entry here. That is the entry for the new device that was plugged in instead of the faulty one. We can select it and click Next. So now it's time to schedule the replacement. We can select a later time or we can select to do the activity now. So I will select now and continue. Finally, it shows a summary of our selection. So it shows the device type, the device that is being replaced, the device we are using for replacement, and also what is the target image on the replacement device, the target configuration. We could actually click and view the configuration if we want to. And we see the selections for the schedule of the replacement. So once we verify this information is correct, we can proceed and replace this device. At this point, the administrators only have to wait and monitor the task. So we can click Monitor Replacement Status. This takes us to the inventory page for this specific site. And here we can see that the device that we were replacing is already reachable. We can navigate to Actions and Device Replacement and check on replacement history. Then we see at what time the replacement was done. We see what is the serial number of the device that was replacement, both the faulty and the new one, and we can click on Replace to get more information. Here we see all the activities that Catalyst Center completed to replace the device. We can see that it started by PNP, We see the starting time and the end time of the task, the status of the task, and the time it takes to complete the task. Then we can scroll and see all the other activities that were performed. For example, we see here that it removed the older device from the license server. It deployed license to a new device. And if we complete the scrolling, we see all the activities that were performed. With the last activity, we know that the faulty device is deleted from the inventory and the RMA is completed. This concludes the device replacement demo using Catalyst Center. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.